get ready to rumble!
Sydney's #1 hit music station.
I've had cancer, and my family needs this job, and we need the insurance, and I'm the only provider. I've got 2 kids, blah blah blah.
What a fucking idiot! Look at this clown in this motorcycle. What an absolute meatball! And he's still cutting off a bunch of cars up there. This guy's an absolute first class stroker. Seriously? Fuck you. Idiot. So we've got a kumquat, vegan kumquat, 7 for gonorrhea.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Fucking hurry up, you idiot. Not my ass, pal. Dipshit. What's this crazy prick doing? Walking down a bus lane. Another one going on YouTube. Some crazy people out today. Walking down a bus lane.
You're a first-class cunt.
Fuck me! How about fuck you?
Jesus Christ, there's some fucking dickheads. Oh my God, look at that fucking idiot. Look at this fucknut. What a dickhead. Comes out of left turn area of that petrol station goes across a divider, 3 lanes to get in the tunnel. And now he can't stay in the lane. Of course not. We've got ourselves a kumquat unit 6-1 lug nut idiot. Really can't stay straight in the lane. Oh, fuck. No, it's no fucking right turn. It's no fucking right turn, you idiot. Oh, what a moron. Oh, you didn't have a fucking...
What an asshole!
On the credential list yet, so he had to sit out front like a Mickey Mark and wait until somebody said, "I know him." Whoa, Tony, before we get going, we got to tell everybody about our friends over at Atlas. I know since Bruce is leaving me, now you're looking for a new gig too. I want to help you out a little bit, and we can help our listeners too. Man, Atlas Van Lines is the place to be, and we've been telling you about them for the last few weeks. These guys are hiring nationwide, OTR and regional positions available. You're talking team drivers, solo drivers, even if you own multiple trucks. Come on, come on.
You gotta love this Mercedes driver. I swear that guy just cut him off way. Oh, and the windscreen wiper. This guy must be a subscriber of mine. He's cut in front of him because he wouldn't keep left, and now he's just hammering the windscreen wiper at him. Oh goodness. I wonder if this guy's a subscriber of mine. Oh, that's hilarious. I'm terrible. I'm a bad man. Look what I've done. I've had so many people comment going, "Oh, I love the windscreen wiper thing. I'm going to do that from now on." And look what happened. I copped water out of the bloody thing. See, I'm getting collateral damage out of this.